Get into a car with value. 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.